Feeling like no matter what you do, your blood sugar just won't improve? It's frustrating, especially when you're following all the advice. But there may be hidden factors specific to what many Americans face that are holding you back. In this video, we'll reveal 8 essential fixes for anyone struggling with blood sugar management. Practical, easy-to-apply tips that could make all the difference. Number 1. Understanding the importance of blood sugar control. Maintaining control over blood sugar is critical for avoiding serious health complications like heart disease, nerve damage, and kidney problems. One effective way to manage blood sugar is by incorporating a low-glycemic diet. This includes choosing foods like half a cup of whole grains such as quinoa or oats and half a cup of legumes like lentils, which help release glucose slowly. Additionally, filling half your plate with non-starchy vegetables like spinach and broccoli supports steady blood sugar levels. Another key factor is mindful eating. Eating slowly, thoroughly chewing your food, and stopping when you're 80% full can help prevent overeating, which often leads to blood sugar spikes. Pair this with regular exercise, such as walking or strength training for 30 minutes daily, to boost insulin sensitivity and better regulate blood sugar. These simple yet effective practices can help you achieve more stable blood sugar control, reduce complications, and improve your overall health in the long term. Number 2. Alternative measures to manage blood sugar. As we continue, please subscribe to this channel if you're finding this video helpful. Thank you. Alternative measures for managing blood sugar offer practical, natural ways to support those struggling with control. Incorporating a low glycemic diet, such as half a cup of whole grains or legumes per meal, helps prevent rapid blood sugar spikes. Regular exercise, like 30 minutes of brisk walking or strength training, improves insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use glucose more effectively. Hydration is key. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to help flush excess sugar from your system. Stress management techniques like meditation or yoga reduce cortisol, a hormone that can raise blood sugar levels. For some, natural supplements like cinnamon, 1 to 2 grams per day, or berberine, 500 milligrams, 2 to 3 times daily, can provide additional support. These alternative measures are not just short-term fixes, but sustainable habits that promote long-term blood sugar control, reducing reliance on medication, and improving overall health. Number 3. Sustaining blood sugar management over time. Long-term blood sugar control is crucial for preventing complications and improving overall health for those struggling with diabetes or blood sugar issues. Instead of focusing on quick fixes, long-term control emphasizes sustainable lifestyle changes that promote stable glucose levels over time. This includes a balanced, low-glycemic diet. Example: half a cup of whole grains or beans per meal to prevent blood sugar spikes, and regular exercise, like walking for 30 minutes daily, which helps your body use insulin more efficiently. Consistency is key. Eating regular meals, managing stress through practices like meditation, and ensuring 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep are essential for steady glucose levels. Long-term control also includes monitoring blood sugar regularly to understand patterns and make adjustments as needed. This approach not only helps manage blood sugar today, but also reduces the risk of future complications, ensuring better health overall. Number 4. Improving insulin sensitivity with lifestyle changes. Improving insulin sensitivity with lifestyle changes is a powerful fix for those struggling with blood sugar control. When your body becomes more responsive to insulin, it can use glucose more effectively, reducing blood sugar spikes. Exercise is one of the best ways to do this. 30 minutes of moderate activity like walking or strength training most days of the week helps muscles absorb glucose without needing extra insulin. Eating a balanced diet rich in fiber, healthy fats, and protein also supports insulin sensitivity. Include low-glycemic foods like whole grains, legumes, and vegetables in controlled portions. Example: half a cup of cooked grains or beans per meal to keep glucose levels stable. Maintaining a healthy weight and getting enough quality sleep, 7 to 9 hours, also improves how your body responds to insulin, leading to better long-term blood sugar management without relying heavily on medication. Number 5. Utilizing supplements to support blood sugar management. Using supplements to support blood sugar control can be a powerful tool for those struggling to maintain healthy levels. Supplements like cinnamon, 1 to 2 grams daily, and berberine, 500 milligrams, 2 to 3 times a day, are well known for enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing blood sugar levels by mimicking insulin's actions. Chromium, 200 to 1,000 micrograms daily, also plays a crucial role by aiding glucose metabolism, allowing your body to utilize insulin more effectively. However, it's important to remember that these supplements work best when combined with healthy habits, balanced eating, and regular exercise. Number 6. The value of mindfulness, quality sleep, and stress reduction. Mindfulness, sleep, and stress management are essential for those struggling with blood sugar control. Stress management practices like meditation, 10-15 minutes daily, and deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6, help lower cortisol, a hormone that raises blood sugar levels. Incorporating yoga, simple poses like child's pose and forward bends, can further reduce stress and enhance insulin sensitivity. Quality sleep is equally important. Aim for 7-9 hours nightly by establishing a calming routine, avoiding screens before bed, and creating a cool, dark sleep environment. This helps your body regulate insulin more efficiently. Additionally, mindful eating plays a significant role. Slow down when eating, take 20-30 minutes for meals, chew thoroughly, and stop when you're 80% full. These practices prevent overeating and blood sugar spikes. By managing stress, sleep, and practicing mindfulness, you create a balanced approach to keeping blood sugar levels in check and reducing the risk of complications. Number 7. Minimizing insulin use over time. Reducing insulin dependency long-term is a practical solution for managing blood sugar by focusing on improving your body's insulin sensitivity. Regular exercise, such as 30 minutes of walking or resistance training daily, enables your muscles to absorb glucose more efficiently, decreasing the need for insulin. A low-glycemic diet plays a key role. Choose whole grains like half a cup of quinoa or oats, legumes like half a cup of lentils or beans, and non-starchy vegetables. Fill half your plate with spinach or broccoli. These foods release glucose slowly, helping to prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. Mindful eating is another crucial element. Control portions by limiting low-glycemic fruits like half a cup of berries or a small apple, and healthy fats like 1 tablespoon of olive oil or 1/4 avocado. Eating slowly, chewing thoroughly, and stopping when you're 80% full helps prevent overeating. These habits naturally improve blood sugar control, reducing the need for insulin over time and promoting long-term health. Managing blood sugar through sustainable lifestyle changes, such as balanced eating, regular exercise, and effective stress management, is crucial for long-term health. These practical strategies help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce the risk of complications, and promote overall well-being, empowering you to take control of your health and enjoy a better quality of life. You should also watch this video on other effective ways to lower blood sugar. And please subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.